How to turn on or off lock sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize both the audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and manage how haptics behave. Here, scroll down and go to the lock sound feature as shown. The lock sound is a small click noise that plays when you press the side button to turn off the screen. It is an optional setting that provides audio confirmation that the phone has locked. As you can see, it is currently turned on. Tap on the switch to turn it off. Tap on the switch again to turn it back on whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off system haptics on iPhone.